Hi, my name is Tyler Despain, and this is my final project for Mechatronics 305. And I built an alarm clock that has a thermistor, sorry I should say, reading the temperature. It's telling the time through the DS3231. There's the buzzer down there. A fan for when the alarm goes off, and then the IR remote with the IR receiver to turn the fan off once the alarm turns off. And the alarm is going to go off at 8:52, and it's going to last for a full minute. As the alarm's going, it's going to switch between time and temp while saying alarm on and wake up. And like I said, this will last for an entire minute, so it's definitely going to get you out of bed. Once the alarm ends, it'll just go back to saying time and temperature. And if we use the IR remote, it'll turn that fan off as the person's getting out of bed. And then, so there's the receiver, there's the thermistor, all programmed into the Arduino, the display, the clock, the buzzer, and the motor with the IR remote. It's been a great class. Thanks for everything, Brother Dean.